Hey guys, how's everyone? So I want to bring you guys an important recall that I need everyone to know about. All recalls are important, and that's why they turn into a recall, not just a TSB. But this one involves a death, so I really want to go over it with you because I know a lot of us have different type of vehicles, so it's important to get this information out ASAP so you guys can be aware of it. So let me go ahead and explain exactly what this involves. Like I said, anytime there's a recall, it's really important, but when it involves a death, you really have to take note of it, just how serious it really is. So I want to get this information out just in case people haven't noticed. Sometimes these things go unnoticed for a while, or the letter they send out you don't really get if you move, or all kinds of things. But I just want to go over it with you. It's important too because it involves a brand new 2026 vehicle. So what this recall involves is a 2026 Hyundai Palisade, but it's the one with the limited and calligraphy trims. And in short, here's exactly what's going on with this. And like I said, it just happens to be those two trims, and it could be because they have the power option. So it has to do with the power folding second row seats. And it also has power folding third row seats. So pretty much the issue here is that when you push a button, the second and third row seats could fold down so you can make more room for storage. But in this situation, the area that's having an issue is there's a sensor that if it detects contact, it'll stop, so it won't keep folding. Where in these vehicles, they're having issues where it'll make contact and it won't shut off, so the power folding seats will continue to fold even if it's somebody's in the way or anything like that. So you can definitely see it's a huge safety issue, and unfortunately led to a death. So extremely important. This cannot be happening. So, and since it's a 2026 vehicle, the automaker said on Friday that they're still in the development mode of how to fix this repair. And of course, once it's finalized, they're going to fix it at no cost to owners, and they'll be sending out notices as well. But something that they're doing too, which is a nice addition to it, is if you have one of these and yours is affected, so if you have a 2026 Hyundai Palisade and the limited and calligraphy trims, and it affects 60,000 vehicles, so there's quite a bit out there, that Hyundai will give you a rental vehicle until they have a remedy to this. So that's really good, that if you don't feel safe, if you have kids riding back there a lot, you're just not so sure of it, just contact Hyundai. They can set you up in a rental vehicle so you don't have to drive your vehicle until it can be fixed. So that is a good move for them. Another thing they're doing too, until they can get the full repair done, is they're going to have a over-the-air update available. And what this over-the-air update will do is it's not a permanent recall, but it's going to help that the system responds when it contacts something. So it's going to be more delicate, I guess you would say. When it contacts something, it'll turn it off quicker. And like I said, this isn't a permanent fix. It's just for the time being until they get the real fix done. So to help customers in the meantime, it'll just make it really delicate. So if you're interested in getting that done, check for an over-there update. It should be available now. They said the end of March. So we're right into April now, so it should be available, but you'd have to make sure. And if you don't see it, contact your dealer and see if they know when it'll be released. So again, I just want to bring this to your guys' attention. Like I said, a lot of people have these vehicles. I see a ton of them around. I want to keep everyone safe as much as they can. Know that the information is out there and get it in your hands so you can do something with it. So if you have one of these, I would definitely either get this over-there update, or maybe drive a different vehicle or get one of the rental vehicles they're offering, just because you just want to be safe with this. And there's already been issues, so you don't want to chance that for sure. So again, I wanted to keep everyone in the loop. Hope everyone's having a good day out there. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.